Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this video we'll learn about how to log into Apple credit card. First open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on search engine and type card.apple.com. It will lead you to the official page of the Apple card. Now here you can see the sign in option. Click on it. Now you'll need your email or your phone number to sign in, so type in your email or your phone number. Here I am typing my email. Now click on this arrow. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can reset your password. Now after typing your password, click on this arrow and you'll be able to log into Apple credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.